So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 26th of May till the 1st of June. The rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my course. Link is given below in the description box for the same for the tarot reading course, and for personal reading and healing sessions. Also, links are given below. For self love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, also links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Scorpio. We have the Four of Cups. There is a sense of disappointment going on in the situation right now. Even if this person have other option or other people that they are connected to, this person is not emotionally happy. They are emotionally very confused and disappointed. Let's clarify the Four of Cups. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the King of Swords. So they have become from a lovey-dovey person, from being in this energy of wanting to have happily ever after kind of a deal, to this energy of I don't care. If Scorpio is alive, I don't care. If Scorpio is dead, I don't care. They do. But they have become so practical, so logical after whatever happened between you guys in this situation, that they're thoroughly disappointed with their love and relationship area, and they have become very bitter. Little, not little, it's like they have become a person that if you're going to talk to them, they are going to be very rude because they are hurt. So hurt people, they are so hurt right now that they're kind of trying to detach from everybody. Okay. And they are being very rude to everything and everyone around them. Even if not verbally, energetically, they are giving that sense to everybody around them. Okay. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Okay, this is the devil card. I can't show you the picture because of the YouTube policy. The devil card here is telling me that you are still attached to this particular person or situation, and the attachment is not healthy. There is something that is keeping you attached to this particular person or situation, and maybe you don't even know it, why you are feeling so connected, so obsessively connected to this particular person or situation. Let's clarify to get the clear picture. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. You have two people, two choices, two energies to choose from. You feel like you should move towards something new or someone better that is already around your energies, but you are not feeling stable enough or good enough to move forward in a totally new direction, and you are feeling stuck in this particular situation. And this feeling stuck in this particular situation is kind of keeping you stuck in a negative loop somehow, in a very unhealthy kind of loop. And you know it, you're trying to break free, but you're not able to do that. There is still a lot of on and off, in and out, full of confusion kind of energy. Hmm. We are talking about energies only here. It's not like it's happening on a physical level, maybe for some of you, but for most of you it's a game of energy, where you are trying to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, with all of your heart and soul, but you're not able to do that. Yeah. And it's kind of making you feel stuck in a situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Okay. We have the Magician. They want to manifest something here. Let me clarify this Magician in order to get the clear picture. What exactly this person wants to manifest. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Empress. Yeah. They want to get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of situation. They want to have a clear cut picture of being able to understand what next. And they want to manifest growth and expansion in their life, happiness in their life, actually, with or without you. This is not about you only right now. This is about them coming out of a limbo, coming out of feeling so hurt by the situation. They want to definitely get out of these feelings, have a clear cut picture of the future ahead of them, and manifest a beautiful connection, beautiful relationship that is going to be there for them for the rest of their lives. Maybe that is what they want, with or without you. Hmm. They're so hurt by this situation that they don't want to even consider you uh, fully in a situation. Okay, what is happening? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? We have the Queen of Cups. You just want to keep your emotions and keep your feelings to yourself, meanwhile trying to take care of yourself and the whole situation with love and compassion, instead of going all gaga about this and creating scenarios. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups here. We have the Two of Wands and the Four of Cups and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, you just want to wait for the time when you will be able to get out of this disappointment, this attachment that you're still feeling for somebody, and when you will be able to let your guards down. Yeah, and you're waiting for the time when you will be able to heal yourself properly so that you can move forward towards something better or someone better, right? And you're doing the right thing by choosing to do that. Absolutely right. Beautiful. Hmm. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 1st of June, Scorpio. We have the Ten of Pentacles. Your focus is going to be shift on your family, on your money, on your job, on your career, on your stability, and a lot of secure kind of safe and secure kind of energies. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Let's see. We have the Lovers, the Justice, and the Four of Swords. Yeah, you are going to choose your path very, very wisely. You are going to choose your path. You are going to choose one direction, and you are going to be in this energy of this is the thing that can heal me properly. Again, maybe you are going to shift all of your focus on your money, job, career, and or you are going to take help from your family in order to move forward in your life, or people who are like family to you. But you are creating a very stable base for your future ahead of you, and you're working on that consciously, and you're going to make the right choice and make the right decision. I don't know what that right choice or right decision is, but you're telling me I know what I want to do, and I know what should I do in order to get that deep rooted healing that I should have in my life, and I am going to straight away do that. And that's really awesome, that's really beautiful. You're finally doing it. You're finally choosing the right path, the right direction, the right course of action, and your healing, your deep rooted healing will start from this point onwards. Very good, because of your conscious choice of doing it and going in a particular direction. For you, the guidance is Three of Pentacles. The guidance also says that you should take help from somebody. If you feel the urge and the desire to heal yourself properly, taking help from somebody, maybe a healer or a therapist or a mentor or somebody who can definitely help you to come out of this phase of your life, do that. It's going to help you a lot and save a lot of time, save a lot of energy, and save a lot of pain. So take help from somebody who can help you to get out of this situation, get out of these feelings, and heal yourself properly. Okay, there's no shame in taking help. A lot of people think taking help means we are cowards, or we are not strong enough, but it's exactly the opposite of what we think. Yeah, bursting bubbles job, I think. Anyway, so thank you so anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.